Today we live in a world where misinformation spread faster than truth. People share headline without checking. News apps show everything without verifying authenticity. And most fast checking websites are slow or manual. So we wanted to build a system that can verify news instantly. The project is called Trusted News Agent, a multi-agent AI system that can fetch news, verify if it's real or fake, summarize it, answer questions, and store your history all automatically. Let me show you how our system works.
So this system is not one single AI model. It is a team of agents working together. So let's see the working as well as all the agents. First agent, that is the router agent, which detects what a user want to search, verify or ask a question, which give input to the model. Second agent, that is a search agent, which uses Google search engine tools to fetch the latest data or news. Third agent, that is realism checker agent, which checks is the news real, fake or uncertain on the some reputation parameters. Fourth agent, that is summary and QA agent, which summarize the news and answer user questions. Fifth agent, that is memory agent, which stores user search history for the future use. Let's see the demo of our system. Let's start the backend. Then start HTML file live server. So this is our system's UI. So you can also generate a new user ID by clicking new user ID button. Then let's see the history. As we see, no history is found in the ID5. So we search for the ID1, which is I created initially. Now let's see the trust news for on the topic cyclone Dinshaw. So it is generating, and you can see the summary is generated, and the trusted articles is real is also generated. And let's see another article. We pasted the URL, and let's write the headline of that URL. So here we can check is the news real or fake. So let's check. So my net speed is slow, so you can see that history generated, but I have that issue. So now you can also delete this. Thank you very much.